track day prep. How's it going?
Good. Brakes are done. Oil's done-ish. We have to remember to not start the car with no oil in it.
Oh yeah, the beautiful things of living in Michigan with a 27-year-old car, 26-year-old car. Everything is rusty for no reason. Look at that. It's awful. Look, I can shove my finger in there.
That's what she said.
Do you know how to fix rust on a race car? See? How does that make you feel, Al? Does that make you cringe a little on the inside?
Yeah.
Good. Oh yeah. Mint. We both agree that it's time to go inside for the night, and what are you doing?
Taking off the cover for the fuel filter
Why?
because I want to know what I'm getting myself into.
All right, good morning.
Good morning.
What's the plan for today?
Drain fluid, don't make a mess. Drain more fluid, probably make a mess.
Replace the fluid.
Replace the fluid, put it back in. Probably make a mess doing that too. Then do it all again.
And here comes my least favorite part of the job because I absolutely despise the smell of transmission fluid. Actually, no, this is my second least favorite part of the job. Here in a little bit, we'll get to my least favorite part, which is pumping fluid into the diff. Actually, no, probably like draining the diff because it's all nasty is my least favorite. All right, so we were talking about if we were gonna change the brake fluid or not, and we decided we were gonna upgrade to the, what is it?
Total RBF 660.
Because he boiled his brake fluid on track with the previous stuff that I'm currently running, and I'm not trying to take that risk. And we're really gonna change it anyways because look how nasty that it is, and I don't know if you could tell, but there is something floating like right there. Oh, I touched it. Yeah, disgusting. So we're changing all of the fluids in my car today. We got the trans fluid done, the diff fluid done. We're about to put oil in the car, brake fluid. I guess we're not doing anything for the clutch since...
No, we should, but it's a huge pain in the ass, but it's also disgusting. Yeah, it's black.
Oh, that's so gross.
Yep.
I mean, I think we haven't changed it since we did the master and slave cylinder in like 2020.
Yep.
When I first got the car, so. Okay, I know we said previously we were not doing the clutch fluid, but
We are now doing the clutch fluid.
yeah, better be safe than sorry. We're already here, may as well do the right thing, so. So I'm not useless, I'm gonna have to get in the car and do it the old-fashioned way. right, on to Miata number 2. Doing essentially the same exact thing as we did on mine. Oil change, trans fluid, diff fluid, brakes, fuel filter. Are you a new brake fluid?
Just bleeding it, not new.
So, goal to have it done by tonight so we can break the cars in tomorrow and pack them up on the trailers for the weekend. So, stay tuned. Get this show on the road. So what's next?
Your favorite part?
Ooh, what's my favorite part?
Filling the trans and then draining the diff.
Alright, we're getting started with trans fluid. Got 2 bottles of these things. Whatever Al bought, because I don't buy this stuff. He picks it out and just tells me what to do. You know, typical car husband things. You know, right, love? Yeah. So, with whatever this stuff is, from Flying Miata. Alright, so the smelliest part is being done right now. We're draining the diff fluid.
I actually think your car smelled worse.
It did.
This is terrible.
And mine was darker and had more metal on the plug.
Yeah.
So. Alright, so we got both cars pretty much done. We're gonna go take his for a test drive, put some gas in it. And because that one's going on the trailer tonight. And then mine is, we just gotta go break in the brakes. And mine goes on the trailer tomorrow. So we're not putting the bumper on now because it will not fit on the trailer with the big splitter. So we'll just do that at the track. But yeah, that wasn't too bad, right, Al? Time for a test drive. So now we're gonna go break in my brakes. We have this great procedure where we're gonna do 10 aggressive decelerations from 80 to 10 miles an hour. It's gonna take me like 10 minutes to get this car to 80 miles an hour, but it's gonna take us a little bit to do this, but yeah, here we go.